Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be unboxing this March GlossyBox, and not gonna lie, this one is my first one, so I'm super excited to see what's inside, to tell you guys what I think about the product and all that good stuff. So I took it out of the packaging that it came with because I didn't want you guys to see my address, but I am still yet to open this box up because I wanted to do that on camera. I wanted to give you guys my honest full reaction. So yeah, I think that's pretty much what we're gonna do now, and I am so freaking excited. So let's do it. Whoa, oh my god, this is so pretty. Can you see this? Whoa, also I'm so happy because I'm for sure gonna use this box for practical reason once I'm done with all the makeup that's inside here, or at least I'm assuming it's makeup. I don't really know. So this is what it looks like when you first open it, and we're just gonna tie this bow up and unveil it, I guess. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing first, we got this leaflet that says "All Eyes on Me." I think he has all the product inside. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Those are the product that I think I should be getting in this Byee box. So I think we should just dive into the product. Not gonna lie, this thing looks legit. I adore it. I love how it looks like. I think it's super dope. So open this up. Whoa. So those are the products that are inside. This is how the box kind of looks like when you first open it, and I think it's adorable. It does look like a PR box type thing, like something that PR company would give you, which I think is super dope. So I'm gonna start with this one because the packaging of this one is dope. Oh my god, I love it. So this one is stamp and drag, apply wing stamp on outer corner right, use felt tip to align the eye and join the wing. Oh my god, it's an aligner. Oh my god, it's so cute. And the brand is Chiate London. Chiate, is that you pronounce it? I have no clue, but this one looks dope. I'm so in love with packaging. You guys, the packaging looks amazing, and I'm actually struggling to fish this product out, which is ridiculous. Can we just... Also, I got my fake nails on today, and probably this was not the smartest thing to do. Why isn't it coming off? Okay, the packaging is really cute, but apparently it's really impractical. So this is how it looks like. I think it's super cute. So it has oh, it has a stamp thingy on this side, and then it has the regular tape on this side. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited to use this one, to try this out, because I'm a fan of eyeliner and stuff like that, and I have eyeliner on pretty much all the time. So super excited for this one. I think it looks super cute. Then next up I got is this Black Magic Mascara, Drama and Curl Black. This is how it looks like in the packaging, and let's try to open this one up as well. Oh wow, but this one is definitely a different looking mascara. Mascara usually don't look this way. I don't really want to open this up because I do have a mascara that I'm currently using, and so I want to open this just to let you guys see it, because it will definitely dry out and I don't want that. So yeah, we're gonna keep it in the packaging for now, but I'm actually super excited to use this. It kind of looks dope. Then next up I got is this long-lasting lipstick, Longwear Ultra Creamy Formula, Hydrating Finish, and this one is from Eco Beauty, I think that's how you pronounce it. The packaging is super cute as well. It's really basic but in a good way, and the shape is called Flawless, and oh my god, it's stunning. Look at that. Whoa, like it. I really like it. I think it's super cute. Then we have just the two products left. So the first one is this Q10 Lifting Eye Cream, which sounds really good. Less wrinkles in 28 days. Now, it's an anti-aging product. I'm only 20, so I don't really have wrinkle and stuff. So I don't know if I should be using this, or if it's bad for your skin if you're too young and using anti-aging product. So if you guys know that, let me know in the comments below. By the way, this is gonna be totally random, but I have like quite a few like products that are like brand new that I don't really use, and so I was thinking about like doing maybe like a giveaway. Let me know if you would be into that, because I think I could totally do this. And if I can't use this one because like you guys reckon that I shouldn't because I'm only 20, I could also involve this in a giveaway, you know? I mean, not saying that you guys are old, but I don't know. I think I might do some research because like I think this one is like a really good, really dope product to like use and try out. So yeah, quite excited for that as well. And then the last thing that I got is this highlighting palette, which is on the shade Solstice, something like that. I'm not really sure. Damn. Okay. I should totally. I don't know why in this unboxing I never bring like, you know, X-Acto knife or something like that, like scissor even, because I always need to open stuff that I'm not able to open. So anyway, we managed to do that. Oh my god, this looks adorable. Oh my god, like this sort of like rose gold, goldish shape. It's adorable. Whoa. Okay. We have really intense color, color that I will probably never pick up for myself. There's like some really yellowish thingy going on, some like purple, which I personally don't think is my skin for like an highlight. I don't think I would usually go for it. Plus, I am not usually an highlight person. I know this is gonna be like so shocking. I know a lot of people who are actually highlight obsessed, but I'm not. Like, I'm a good hoe for like a blush. I love blushes, but not that fan of an highlight. So I don't know, should this one goes in the giveaway pile as well? Let me know. Also, I'm pretty sure that you could get like 2 different type of shades. Yes, there we go. Would definitely liked the other one better, but that's not what I got, which is super okay, super cool anyway. So yeah, that is pretty much everything inside my beauty box. I feel like this one was also really like inexpensive. I am really bad with like all this stuff thing, like my memory is definitely going down, so I will make sure to like link everything down below, and I will also leave text in the screen if I haven't done so already. You know, my editing me knows what she's doing, and I'm pretty sure I also have a code to give you guys if you want to get your first GlossyBox as well, so I will leave that in the screen as well as down below. Be sure to go ahead and check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that is in this GlossyBox, in this March unboxing GlossyBox. That's actually a really long title. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite item, and if you actually are subscribed to GlossyBox or not. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!